So yeah, we keep hearing voices upstairs in the attic. We keep hearing footsteps. We keep hearing like little girls crying. We're not sure what it is. We heard 3 people got murdered upstairs. A family died upstairs. So we just want to go check. We all scared. Oh, we gotta fix our feet. So let's go. Dude, honestly, I just something down there.
Stop.
No, no, fine. Alright, well, come on. So as we walk, what the? So I don't know what the fuck was just that.
Did you hear it?
Yeah, I just heard it, man. It sounded like somebody. Man, we keep climbing up these stairs, man. You don't know how dangerous it is, man. One false move and you could die. I'm not playing.
I'm ready to go in into a panic attack.
Okay, so this is the apartment where they say the little girl got murdered. As you can see, it's not in here. We kept hearing footsteps. As you see, it's getting cold. So they said. Oh shit!
Did you see that?
You see that shit?
Yeah, here. Stop.
That's no touch. So, hold on. Okay. So what's that? What was the thing? Oh shit!
You know what? I can't do this, you guys. I just can't do it, you guys. Let's go. Let's just go.
Alright, man. As you can see, the PlayStation 3 just didn't know. I don't know how the fuck that happened. Shit, what the fuck?
I can't take this anymore. I can't take this anymore.
What just happened? You girls are okay.
I feel choked. They choked me.
You girls are okay. As you see, this is a demonic entity. We're getting pushed. It's just crazy. Come on, let's just go inside the room.
I don't want to go in there.
Do not run from it. Alright, you go first. What you want?
Oh, God.
What you want? Camera guy, come here, camera guy. Do not run from this. We're not leaving. We're here to stay.
I can't do this anymore. Stop! Just stop it! Just stop it! Make it stop! Make it stop!
We just saw it. I don't know. What's that here?
Where?
Check.
Stop! You have to touch. This is closed!
Camera guy, where are you? This is oh my god. I'm about to open it.
Yeah. Hurry.
Wait, it's locked. It's locked.
That was open just right now.
Machina, where are you?
Stop screaming! Don't you have her energy! Where? Stop it.
Hey, wait. Hey, why not basic way? Push it sideways.
Run away! Trying to go home! Oh, my boy, my legs broke! Ah!